Hi everyone, very good evening to you all. Guys, let's wait for 2 more minutes, then we'll start the session. Just let me know I'm audible.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Aarti.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Rudraksh.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Ram. All right, guys, let's start the session. Just let me know I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
All right. So today I'm going to talk about CSS text, like the alignment, decoration, transformation, right? Spacing, shadows there. Let's go for it, guys. First of all, CSS has a lot of properties for formatting text. Okay, so let's talk about text formatting over here. So first I'm going to create div. Okay, so here I'm going to take the border and the padding. Okay, border is 2 pixel. Let's take 2 pixel solid gray, and then padding is of 8 pixel. Okay, Then H1 is your text align. It's center. Then comes your text transform. It's uppercase. Then color. I'm gonna take a different shade over here. So it's for C AF50. Okay. So this is the shade I'm gonna take over here for the color, for the text color. Then for the paragraph, uh, text align, it's justify. Text indent, it's a 50 pixel. Then I'm gonna take letter spacing. Letter spacing is uh, you guys can add some space in between the letters, the characters, okay, not the complete word. Okay, so here I'm gonna take letter spacing of 3 pixel right here. Okay, then I'm gonna take a so it's a for a I'm gonna take text decoration. It's text decoration. So I'm gonna take this as none. The value is none over here. I'm not assigning any value. Then color. Uh, Here I'm gonna take a different shade. That's 008 8C BA. Okay, so this is the shade, and now I'm gonna close the style element, then the head element. Then let's open the body element over here, and I'm gonna add div element like this. Then the H1, just because important text I'm gonna write for the heading. So H1 is there. That is your text formatting. Just understand the concept. Like here, the heading I use text transform uppercase. So if I'm writing it in the lowercase, it will get displayed as a uppercase characters over there. Okay. Then I'm gonna add this p tag. So this text is styled with some of the text formatting properties. Okay, so the heading uses the align, say the text align, text transform, text align, text transform, and say color properties. Okay, and else we can say the paragraph is indented. Okay, aligned and the space between characters is specified. Okay, so this is the thing, and let's create mm, different paragraphs. And I'm going to close the paragraph tag here only. Let's start the A tag. I'm just writing it down the code, guys. What you guys can do is just write the let's do one thing. Let's try this one only. If we can run this, then it's better. So you guys can check it out over here. That's how it works, right? Let's remove the A part just because I haven't added any extra tag over here. Guys, here it's CS. Our topic is CSS text, right? Text plays a very important role in the CSS designing just because text we use different text formats, different text families, font families, right? Uh, layouts, text layouts, and text shadow is there, text color is there, text size is there, right? To make it more catchy. So here in CSS text, let's talk about text color. So here the color property is used to set the color of the text, right? Here the color is specified by, let's say, first is your color name, then your hex value, then your and RGB value. So let's say it's like color name is red. Okay, here hex value means like I'm giving you an example. So double F 4 times 0 1 2 1 2 3 4. Then your it's like RGB 25500. So this kind of value, if you are using it, so it's an RGB value. Okay, let's add color over here only. It's gray, padding of 8 pixel div, right? And let's add which one color is there na, it's green. And let's add the paragraph color, it's blue. Save it. Okay, now guys,
Yes, sir.
let's add background color over here. The body, like its background color, it's light gray. Okay, and let's say, just hold on a second guys. So guys, here you guys can add background color in the heading also. Okay, yes guys, so here we can add a background color over here also. uh, hmm, let's say if it's light gray, here black, or uh, what else we can say, gray. Okay, that's how you guys can use it. Okay, instead of red you guys can use the black. That's how you guys can create it, right? Add background colors individually. So this is, we can say, CSS text and text formatting. Now let's go for the text alignment. Okay, CSS text alignment. Here the text, you can say text align property is used to set the horizontal alignment of a text. Okay, we can say a text can be left or right aligned, centered, or justified, right? So let's go for an example over here. It's CSS text alignment. Here, guys, H1. So here text align at center. Here H2, it's text align left. It's H3, text align right. Style head body. Okay. Style close, head close, body open. Now here, let's say it's heading 1 for H1. That is center. Then comes your H2. Instead of center, it's left. It's right. So it's the three headings above are aligned center, left, and right. Heading 1 is center, heading 3 is right, heading 2 is left. So that's how you use text alignment. So guys, in the previous code we used text align is and the value is justify. Guys, when the text align property is set to justify, each line is stretched so that every line has equal width and the left and right margins are straight, like in magazines and newspapers, right? uh, Now let's go for the text direction. The direction and Unicode BD is bi-directional. Okay, so hold on. So these properties can be used to change the text direction of an element. Okay. Uh, Now let's check it out. It's let's create a class. So it's p class e1 for the paragraph. I'm creating this one. Okay, so the direction here RTL Unicode BD is BD override. Okay, style head body paragraph is this is the default text direction. Okay, then I'm gonna take the p class e1. This is right to left text direction. Okay, then let's close the body element, then the HTML, right? Let's save it and let's run it. See here, it's this is default text direction, and this is the right to left text direction. Okay, is that okay? So we there
Yes,
is
sir. It's
I'm gonna write the vertical alignment property that you guys can use it by your own. Okay, I'm not gonna give a practical of this. I can write, but I am not going to write a demo code for this. It's a task for you, like vertical alignment property, how to use it, right? You just need to use the uh, vertical align, and the values are top, middle, bottom, right? You guys can use it. So the vertical align property sets the vertical alignment of an element. Okay, and here guys, values are top, middle, and bottom. Okay, I'm writing it down over here. Example, values are top, middle, and bottom. Guys, the next topic is CSS text decoration. Here the text decoration property is used to set or remove decorations from text. The value text decoration that's none, right, is often used to remove underlines from links. Okay, so guys, let's go for one demo practical over this. It's H1. H1, H2, H3. So here let's take decoration. It's overline. Then comes line 2, then underline, let's say so it's H1. This is heading 1. This is overline. Okay, this is line through. This is underline. Okay, this is text decoration. Now CSS transformation. Uh, let's say guys, it's text transform property is used to specify uppercase and lowercase letters in a text. Okay. Guys, it can be used to turn everything into uppercase or lowercase letters or capitalize the first letter of each word. It's P as uppercase text transform. Uppercase. Then comes uh, capitalize. It's P class. This is some text, right? Capitalize. This is some text uppercase. This is lowercase. And this is capitalized text. First letter of every word is in uppercase, right? That is what we call capitalize. Then comes your spacing. Spacing is letter spacing. Here it's text indentation is here. Text indent property is used specify the indentation of the